again, they were comfortable now. I mean, yesterday was like, getting out the first game, second game, just letting them play a little bit, which is, they showed how good they are right now. But, we still lack more to do. But we're again, dahan-dahan lang. One game at a time.
Let's go! Basic back-to-back big games para sa'yo. Yung nga sabi nga ni Coach, kulang pa kayo right now, pero paano mo tinitake yung responsibility na yun na ikaw yung big man?
I think talagang stick lang kami sa plan ni Coach. Tiwala lang kami sa kanya kung ano yung magkakaroon inside the court. And I think tiwala din sa teammates kasi teamwork naman talaga yung inside the court.
Would you say may konting eagle ka after your season?
I can say hindi naman. Kasi alam ko parang rookie pa lang ako dito sa SEA Games. And tinitake ko lang siya na parang marami akong malalearn dito sa mga atin.
Coach, speaking of rookies, si Sarah naman ngayon yung naging maganda na lang after sa Sophia. So siguro, what can you say about your two additions na lang?
Oh, just happy that they perform. Hopefully they continue to do that. And especially yung team, not just them, but the whole team is competing every day, competing every time, and hopefully makuha natin yung
Coach, update sa schedule ni and sa Angel pagdating.
I hope they'll be here by Monday. After I think this is the last game today, the third game of the year. Of course, Siyempre, kahit sino manalo. Basta, everything's gonna be okay. Hope the right season.
Who can we expect Coach to play in the first game na pagbalik?
Of course. Siyempre, kailangan natin. Kailangan buo tayo. Hindi pwedeng kulang.
Coach, you did one part of the job. Ngayon semis, for sure mahirap yung magiging especially yung kabilang grupo,
Yeah, lahat naman. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, dadaan tayo sa Putas ng Karayo. It's either Indonesia or either Thailand. It's both teams are very strong. Both teams are contenders, and I think if we pass those two teams, siyempre makuha natin. With the best team, really, talagang makakuha ng dito.
Casey, yung the semifinals, expect na maging mahirap yun. Possibly Indonesia, Thailand baka maging kalaban nyo in the semis and maybe in the finals. Yun.
Ako ready lang ako kung kailan ako like positive coach. Bigay ko talaga yung best ko inside the court and trust ko lang sa coach kung ano yung gusto niya pagawa sa akin.
Okay.
Bye.
Guys, thank you.